YouTube, I'm Fit Britt, and I have too much energy. The top viral dance moves of YouTube. One of those kids doing the YouTube, you know? Millennial puke is what my mom calls me. Thanks, Mom. I have notes. I did research. Oh my god. Little bit about me. My name is Fit Britt. You can follow me here on Instagram. I went onto my Facebook and I asked my closest friends and family, ask me anything, ask me questions, and I'm gonna make a video about it. And nobody said anything except for my dad. This was his post. Thanks, Dad. Good God. So I thought that I would throw in a little bit of cardio and do the latest trending dance moves that make everybody cringe. Yeah, I had to go on a site to get these questions because, like I said, nobody asked me anything. There's no hate, there's no shade, there's no tea, sis. My daughter is looking at me like, oh, she smiled. You're so cute. Oh my God, I love you so much. The chicken wings are almost done in the oven, so I apologize if it beeps. And yes, I'm eating chicken wings because I live a life of balance. Cool. Oh, almost done. So we are gonna go film some dance moves. I'm not a great dancer, but I can at least move to rhythm, kind of. I had spent all morning practicing and it's not looking good. So let's get into it. What is your name and the name of your channel?
My name's Brittany. My channel is Fit Britt.
What will your channel be about?
How to have a healthy lifestyle in an unconventional way. You don't have to be normal.
Why did you start a YouTube channel? Chicken wings. Maybe this is the thumbnail. Maybe nobody cares. Maybe it's Maybelline. All right, back to the questions. Why did you start a YouTube channel?
Because it's fun.
Who is your target audience?
Whoever wants to watch.
Top 3 favorite YouTubers.
Jenna Marbles, Shane Dawson, Casey Neistat.
3 reasons anyone should subscribe to your channel.
Inspirational, informational, hopefully entertaining.
What is your favorite thing about the YouTube community?
You get to be yourself.
What do you think you could bring to the YouTube community that isn't already there?
A whole lot of spunk. I'm a mother, I'm a singer, and I can do roundup.
What do you think the hardest thing about becoming a YouTuber will be?
8 comments.
Do you see yourself being on YouTube for a long time?
I don't know, you tell me.
There you have it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos from me, hit the little bell button. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fit Britt. Ow! Ooh! All right, now ladies. Yeah. Please don't hate on me for how much I leave on the bone. I don't eat the knuckles like my dad does. And why'd you click on this?